Handle soiled or wet restroom trash liners immediately to prevent leaks, odors, and bacterial spread. When you find a wet or soiled liner, first put on disposable gloves to protect your hands and avoid cross-contamination. Tie the bag securely using its built-in ties or by using a secure knot so contents cannot fall out during transport. Remove the bag carefully, keeping it upright and away from clothing, then place it in the designated waste receptacle or trash cart for prompt removal from the restroom area. Before inserting a fresh liner, inspect the can for residue or moisture and wipe the interior with an appropriate disinfectant solution that lists an effective contact time for bacteria and viruses. Allow the disinfectant to remain on the surface for the recommended dwell time, then dry the can with single-use towels so the new liner sits against a dry surface and will not adhere or tear. Choose liners rated for restroom use with thicker gauge or reinforced bottoms and consider double bagging when disposing of items that are heavily soiled or likely to leak. Common mistakes start with delaying removal, which lets liquids soak through and create odors and bacteria growth. Fix that by committing to checks at least every hour in moderate traffic restrooms and more frequently in high traffic restrooms. A second common issue is tying bags loosely so they leak during handling. Remedy that by training staff to use 2 knots or the bag ties and to hold the bag steady and upright while transporting it. A third frequent problem is placing a fresh liner into a still wet or contaminated can, which transfers odors and microbes to the new bag. Solve that by always sanitizing and drying the can between bags and documenting the cleaning event on your restroom log. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place where we can share experiences about everyday maintenance tasks like restroom liner protocols. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other users exchange tips, ask questions, and find recommendations, helping contractors find work and homeowners find reliable help.